All right, we're home. I got my transmission in this case right here, but I have to leave. I was gonna try to put it in this weekend, but there's some wine in Oregon that needs to get drank and I need to go help with the problem. So I'm really a helper, it's just what I do. So I'm gonna go try to help the winery survive. And then when I get back, maybe Monday night, we'll put this guy in. But for right now, we're gonna go have some fun. Let's go! Here at Treasure Trades in Yamhill, Oregon. This place is cool, man. Look at this old building that we're looking at here. Like right up there, there's like a little like tree fort. If I lived here and that was my house, that would be a tree fort. Do you think they're gonna let you in, Pedro? Hey Pedro, is this your friend?
Pedro, look at what
Look at this.
Pedro, take a baby.
Look at this dog. You getting the 8-track? Or the Andy Gibb?
That's the regular cassette there.
This is the 8-track.
Now you want to look the Stones. America.
We'll see. I'm making them, and we'll see.
Dude, you should just take the lot.
I only have one done.
Probably give you a good deal if you buy them all.
Leonard Skinner. Look at that.
Turn this on here, goes through here, up to the light, and then the cannon shoots the projectile out this way. Look at that! Would you look at it? Golly! So you have some pate, and some crunchy bread, and we got
wine.
Are you happy?
This was our
You guys
campsite last week.
Say hi.
No, they're not happy.
They're not happy.
This sucks. I'd never do this again.
This was our campsite last weekend.
Walls are closing in on us here too.
Oh, that's not our car. What's up, Jimmy? They kick you out already?
Work out this weekend.
Thank you.
They kind of like charge it now for next weekend. I'm not gonna be here.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'll just have
Your idea.
Here is the latchkey 2017 in the glass, and there's 4 tastes of 2016. You can reuse your rosé glass. and try them side by side.
Ooh, I love that.
What's your
Okay,
favorite?
thank you.
I'm liking the 17 latchkey and the 16 bunny.
Interesting.
16 bunny.
I'm gonna like the 16 bunny jeans
Oh
too.
yeah.
Bunny jeans.
Yeah.
16, that's
So this is 17. Okay, 17.
16. We need to taste them side by side. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god. She's a wine Nazi over here.
I know, right? Nazi.
You guys didn't take enough.
Not too hot. It's only 72.
Yeah, but I'm old for us.
You're not old.
You want the special sauce?
Yeah, it's good.
And special sauce.
Okay. Anything else for you guys?
I think that's gonna do
Looking
it.
good, thank you.
Amazing, very much.
So
that's the
beautiful.
one.
Look at the view. Look
I
at
know.
the view.
Oh.
Where you want to go? I want to stay here. Get stuffed. I'm so happy.
How's your room? Ours is compact.
Ours is compact too.
Yeah, very compact.
How's your beer?
It's good. I like it. Very fresh.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers to the happy day.
I know, it's such a good day.
Yay, what a good day. So yummy.
It could be sweeter. I think that's what I meant.
We came. We destroyed.
Would you like one?
And we have leftovers for our doggy. This is a pretty cool view. McMinnville, Oregon. It's crazy here. They've closed off the streets and they're having a huge party. All of the people. Oh, wait, what?
2 dogs fucking right here.
2 dogs. This is what we were looking for. There's a brewery called Two Dogs. What's it called? Beep. So we found it and we heard that this is a really good brewery. And this is it. Right here. So we just had an amazing meal at McMinnville's and we were all stuffed to the point where we decided we better walk
For like
this
3
off.
miles.
Yeah, we need to just walk the food off because we had way too much.
Way too much food.
So we are taking a little jaunt, and so far it's been a really fun day.
Very
right?
fun
We've had
and relaxing.
Really
day.
good wine,
Yeah.
right?
So many different kinds. Yeah.
Time to do it again.
Right?
Round 2, yeah! So I don't know if you can see this, but way up here is where Jim and Diana are, because Pedro keeps stopping to sniff the stuff.
I know this. Let's catch up, Pedro.
Look at this cool building. How cool would it be to buy something like that and just turn that into like your big workshop / studio / garage apartment? I would totally live there, except for when it started to rain, so probably not for very long.
Have round 2 food?
Oh, no. I was just getting some water.
Oh, okay.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm so full.
So that was McMinnville. We had a great night last night, and now we're heading home. It should be nice and fun. Beautiful day.
Hey, Pedro. Okay, here we go. What a fun weekend.
Woo!
You have one more day.
We have one more day?
I know, it's kind of relaxing for me. 2 hours of
Oh
fun.
yeah, and I gotta drive us home
Yeah,
for 4
right, yeah.
hours. This isn't usually what this channel's about, and it's not gonna be what it's about, but we did need to take a break. We've been working so hard and so often we have lots of stuff going on. I can't tell you about everything right now, but we have a ton of stuff going on. It was great to take an evening and go taste some wine, enjoy some really good friends, have a great time, relax, unwind, kind of refresh everything, and we're back to work tomorrow morning. I gotta drive all the way back to Bend right now. This is a Yamaha FZ6R. I used to have one of those. Exactly like this one, except for it wasn't exactly the same. It was yellow, but it was the same bike. And seeing this thing sitting in this parking lot really is making me want to get another one. I just sold my FJR, and that was kind of I don't know, I got made fun of a little bit. People said it was a grandpa bike. It really wasn't. It was a super fast, solid bike, and I really liked it a lot. So that being said, just for fun, I'm gonna jump on Craigslist really quick, and I am in Portland, and I might be able to find one for sale, and if I did, I might buy it. And we're back from Portland. We had a great time. We got to taste some good wine. We got to go hang out with really good friends, and we really enjoyed ourselves and had an awesome time. But we're back home, and now we're getting back to work. So, do you know what this is right here? This is the transaxle for the Porsche 944 that's in there. That garage right there. If you think all of our cars have problems because the hood's up, not true. We have a little bit of a rodent problem. They like to get up in the car at night and sleep on the engine, and it smells really bad. So you leave your hood open. They don't feel safe in there, and they won't do that. A little tip for you. That's free. Don't worry about it. Thank you guys for watching, and you will see me in the next video.
Let's go!